We're going to explain how to find a file's original name after it's been renamed. This can be tricky, but there are several ways to approach it, depending on your operating system and how recently the file was renamed. 1. Check file history or version history. Windows. If you have file history or system restore enabled on Windows, it's possible to see previous versions of your files, including the names they had before being renamed. To access this, right-click the folder containing the renamed file, select Properties, and then look for a Previous Versions tab. This tab will list previous versions of the file. Select one and you may be able to see the older file name. This feature works best if the file was renamed recently and if you've consistently backed up your system. Use Recycle Bin, Windows, or Trash, Mac OS. If the file was simply renamed and then moved to the Recycle Bin or Trash, you can find it there. Original file name is usually preserved. Just open the Recycle Bin or Trash, locate the file, and you'll see its original name before you restored it to its new location. Search your computer, All OS. Try searching your computer for parts of the file name you remember. Use your operating system's built-in search functionality. If you remember a part of the original file name, even a few characters, you can use that in your search. This will often yield useful results and narrows down the possibilities to the right file. Check File Metadata, Advanced. Some files contain metadata, which includes information about the file's history. File's original name might be hidden within this metadata, but accessing it often requires specialized tools, making this a less user-friendly method for most people. You can try using file properties or specific metadata viewing software, but this isn't guaranteed to work for all file types or operating systems. 5. Review recent file activities, All OS. Depending on your operating system and File Explorer, recent file activities or the history of your actions might show the file's old name. Check your File Explorer's history feature or look at the recent items list in your operating system. This depends on your system's configurations. 6. External backup software cloud storage. If you back up your files regularly using software like Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or other backup solutions, you might find the original file name in the backup version of your file. Check the version history or backup logs for that particular file. 7. Memory/note-taking. This is the simplest option. If you are able to use this, it is the best option. If you had a habit of noting down important file details, search through your notes or memory to retrieve the file name. In summary, finding a file's original name after renaming depends on your system's capabilities, your backup strategies, and how recently the renaming occurred. Start with the simpler options, like checking the Recycle Bin Trash and searching your computer. If that doesn't work, explore your operating system's version history features and consider checking your backups. If all else fails, a thorough search of your computer coupled with recalling what you remember about the file name are good.